Good morning, welcome to your daily operations weather briefing. We have a lot of low cloudiness and some patchy fog in the area this morning, and we're going to continue to see that low cloudiness stick around here throughout most of the day today. Should see ceilings rise a bit during the afternoon, but we will see overcast conditions with those low clouds hanging pretty tough throughout the day today. Looking at our current surface analysis, we've got a stalled out boundary to our south. It's giving us a little bit of easterly flow this morning. That marine layer has made its way into the Wallops region, actually made its way in yesterday throughout the day, and we are going to continue to see that low cloudiness and reduced visibilities at times be the ongoing condition here until we see a frontal boundary sweep through the region as we go through the evening hours tonight. That'll really dry things out as we go through the end of the week, as high pressure will build into the region. But currently out there, we've got those low clouds at about 500 feet with unrestricted visibilities. Currently, we do see some reduced visibilities across the region, but right here at Wallops as of 8 a.m., seeing those unrestricted visibilities, and at times today we will see those visibilities reduced below 6 miles. Our winds currently out of the east-northeast direction at 8 knots, temperature at 46 degrees, and our relative humidity is at 100%. Quick look at radar this morning. You can see really nothing in the immediate vicinity here at Wallops. Could see a little mist at times with those low clouds throughout the day today, much like what we saw yesterday, but not expecting any significant precipitation until later on this evening. I want to take a look at our infrared or visible satellite. You can see lots of cloudiness at the low levels being indicated here by the visible satellite, and we're really not going to see much in the way of breaks as we go throughout the day today, as we should see those clouds hang pretty tough. Looking at our high resolution reflectivity here on our model, you can see just a few sprinkles or areas of mist showing up here on the model as we go throughout the day today, but for the most part should remain dry until later this evening. You can see the rain coming through later on tonight, so this would be at 10 o'clock local time, showing the precipitation beginning to break out ahead of this frontal boundary. We'll also see the winds become increasingly breezy later on tonight out of the south ahead of this front, and then out of the west we should see some strong gusty winds behind this frontal boundary. We'll see a little bit of instability work its way into the area as well, so can't rule out an embedded thunderstorm later on tonight. You can see here on the model showing some higher DBZ values associated with this front as it goes through, so could see some lightning associated with this frontal boundary as the cold front passes through around 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. And as you can see, everything sweeps out off the coast by about 4 to 5 o'clock in the morning, so we should be waking up to a little bit of sunshine and some gusty winds as that front pulls off the coast and high pressure builds in from the west. We're going to see some pretty windy conditions as we go through the end of the week. So taking a look here at our next 24 hours, you're going to see the rain chances really increase as we get closer to midnight tonight. Likely after about 10 o'clock is when we'll see our first real chances for precipitation. Again, about a 20% chance of some lightning right around midnight tonight through about 2 to 3 o'clock in the morning, and then we should see everything clearing out by 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, seeing a little bit of sunshine peeking through by tomorrow morning as well. Also seeing those gusty winds overnight tonight and into the day on Thursday as that front pulls off the coast. Could see those winds gusting up to around 30 knots as we go into the early portions of the day on Thursday. In addition to that frontal passage tonight, we'll see some hazardous weather associated with the low cloud ceilings continue throughout the day today, running about a 70 to 100% chance through the 4 p.m. hour of seeing ceilings below 500 feet. Looking ahead to Thursday and Friday, we'll see a little bit of sunshine as high pressure builds in. Also some windy conditions for both Thursday and Friday. Looking at mostly sunny conditions on Thursday with a high of 48 degrees. Thursday night, much cooler conditions with those windy conditions persisting as well with a low of 32. And for Friday, breezy, partly to mostly cloudy skies. A slight chance of a few flurries or sprinkles during the evening hours, as we'll see a little bit of a short wave move through the region. Not looking like a significant precipitation maker, but could see, again, a few sprinkles or flurries during the nighttime hours of Friday. We'll see a daytime high of 46 during the day on Friday, and a little bit more cloudiness as well, with mostly cloudy skies at times during the afternoon. That'll wrap it up for today's daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. for a look at your extended forecast. Have a nice day.